So we're getting ready to install some exterior door handle covers on this two-door JL. You can see that we started to put some stuff on. First thing we're gonna do is wipe the door handles down with some rubbing alcohol. Just preps the surface, gets it nice and dry, free of any oils and debris. The next step is going to be adhesion promoter, or like a primer that just kind of gets the surface a little extra tacky. And you want to make sure when you're applying these pieces that you are doing it, obviously not raining. You want it to be fairly warm out. The plastic will tend to be more rigid and the glue will not hold as well if it's so. Then you're gonna take the door handle and remove the cover off of the double-sided 3M tape. Okay, so once you have all of the tape covers off, you'll see the gray tacky side, and you just want to line it up with your surface. And it is movable and adjustable to a degree, but you want to get it as close as possible the first time, because once that tacky starts hitting the surface, it will, there you can see that, it will stick very well. Just press it on in all the areas. Gets all that to adhere. So these little door cap things, they do have a proper way that they go on. So if you put it on and you're like, oh my gosh, it doesn't fit, let's show them. Yeah, so if you go to put it on, or it can be a little funny, so just make sure you have it lined up properly before you go to put it on. The other thing to note is that the tailgate door, and we will show you that on the tailgate install, the handle is a bit shorter and the end cap is narrower, so there is a difference. So if you are installing these handles and you have some and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't think this is the right size, this doesn't fit, just make sure that you've got the right door handles going in the right spot. There we go. And again, these are aftermarket pieces. They are covers, so there is going to be, they're not going to be a 100% coverage, but that is proper fit right there. So check that out. And there you have the installed door handle.